I can't believe how easy the Blink camera system is to install. Let me show you. You basically take this, which is the main module, and you plug it in, and then you get your two cameras. From here, you have your camera right here, and I'm going to take these out here. You literally have everything that you need, which is awesome. It comes with two different attachments depending how you want to attach this. You can screw this right into a wall. This will pivot, or you can put this piece on the end as well. And then it comes with your lithium batteries. You simply download the Blink app and then unscrew this right here, and inside you'll put your two batteries, and then also you'll have a QR code. You literally just scan that with your phone and it adds the device. You do that for your cameras and you're all set. Now, I have a camera system both on my house as well as on my vehicle. Let me show you. Here's one camera mounted right to the fence post. Pretty easy to do. I won't show you all of them. I mounted one on the passenger side of my vehicle and another one on the driver's side. And the one inside will go right here on the back. One of the things I really like about the app is I have two different sections, one for my house and a different section for my vehicle, both within the same app, and I can control them right from my phone. Overall, I've been really happy with the Blink camera system, and it's definitely one that I would recommend.